Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a look that my Facebook group actually voted on. So if you're not a part of my VIP Facebook group, definitely go and join it. If you just search jenna.roisen makeup artist VIP, it will come up on Facebook. Go ahead and get into this tutorial. It is a super gorgeous warm smoky eye and it would look so good on any eye color, especially blue eyes I feel like would be so pretty, but any eye color could rock this look. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. First color I'm going in with is the color Zion. And I will be using the blending side of the eyeshadow everything brush. So I am going to start off by packing this into the outer corner. This is a super duper warm look. So most of this eye look is going to be with this color Zion here. So you just want to start off by pretty much applying it all over that outer corner and then bringing it in through that crease. And then you can tell that there's not a lot of the shadow left on my brush, so that's when I'm going to start working it upwards towards that brow bone. And I'm going to try and keep the shape a little more rounded today since I won't be doing a wing. So you want to build it up so that it's an obvious orange color, and then also don't forget to bring it all the way to this inner corner here. And next I'm going to flip it over to the pencil side. I am still using Zion, but this is going to help to apply it in an even deeper way. I'm just focusing it in that outer V, outer corner. And then I'm also going to run it right through the crease and bring it up a little bit above that crease as well, because when my eye is open, I want there to be a really good amount of it still showing. Now I'm just taking the clean blending brush and running it all over everything. We will be going in with more colors as well, but I just want to take a clean brush first. Now I'm going in with the color Stay Golden, and I'm going to start off by just kind of running it right over that upper edge of the crease, right below that brow bone, and you can tell right away that really softens that line. And I'm definitely not using a very heavy hand. I'm doing a light pressure, so it's just a little bit of the shadow. Next brush I'm going in with is the flat side of the Multitasker Brush. And I am going to be taking Zion and just filling in the rest of the lid. So just start by packing that all over. It's really easy to do. It doesn't really leave much of a harsh line since we already have that crease all blended and built up. Okay, so now you can see we have that nice and built up. The whole lid is covered. And I took a little bit more of Zion on that brush, and I'm just going to blend it right where the lid meets that crease. And now to deepen it up a little bit, we're going to take the color Coco. We're going to start right at that lash line and then start bringing it up into that outer V. And I'm just going over that same area one more time with more of the Coco. You can make this as smoky as you want. Like I said, I want this to mostly appear as like that orangey, really warm eye. So I'm gonna try and keep it, you know, as orange as possible, but I do want some definition out here and a little bit of smokiness. So now I flipped over to the blending brush side and I'm taking more of Coco and going right over that same area. And like I said, just really ensuring that I'm blending this really well. And then I'm going to bring it right into that crease as well. Because once again, when my eye is open, I want a little bit of that Coco to peek through. For this next step, I'm going to take some of Coco and then some of Salem. And I'm going to just kind of mix the two, just to make it a little bit deeper at the lash line. So with this color, I am starting right at that lash line, and this is just gonna help to intensify and smoke it out a little bit more. And then just kind of blend right over it again with that blending side. And next I'm taking my Know Your Angles brush and the color Salem. Taking this shadow to kind of smoke out that line and soften it. And already you can kind of see the difference. It's a lot softer, smokier. Now going in with the pencil brush and some of Zion. We are gonna start working on this lower lash line. So with this look, you're gonna bring Zion pretty darn low in that lower lash line. So it's gonna feel funny at first, but don't be afraid, just go with it. Like when you open your eye, you see how you have kind of like that little crease? We're gonna bring it pretty far down to right in there. Really layering that up, making it super orange, bringing it from the inner corner to the outer corner with this shade. I took a combination of the black and the brown shadow, which is Coco and Salem. And I'm just going to start by placing this right at the lash line. And I'm going to do the line thicker in this outer corner and then keep it nice and close to the lash line as we move in. This step always makes my eyes water. Okay, and then I'm going to take the color Pearl, which is an Illuminator. This is like the only shimmer we're really going to have. And I obviously have not done my face makeup yet, so I will go back in and touch up this inner corner when I'm done, but... Okay, I'm going to take my finger and some of Sabrina, and I'm going to just pat that on. I just want to kind of lock that in because it is a cream. I don't want it to be moving or creasing throughout the day. Okay guys, so for lashes, today I'm going to be using these, and they are in the style Midnight. They are Faux Mink lashes by Kiss. Super duper pretty. So now that the lashes are tacky, we can go ahead and set these on. See how well I can do this on camera. These ones are a little bit on the stiffer side, but that is common with dramatic lashes. So my main thing is I just set them on and try and get the inner and outer corners in the right place and kind of hold it on. And then once everything has dried, I will go under and push my natural lashes with the fake ones. These are so pretty. They make a really big difference. So you can kind of play around with the angles of everything. Sometimes that inner corner wants to stick up, but there we have it. Go ahead and get the other one on. Alright guys, and here you have the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. Like I mentioned, be sure to join my Facebook group if you're not already a part of it. It's so much fun. And also, please like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. That helps me out so very much. And yeah, if you have any video requests, please leave them in the comments. I would love to create any look that you would like to see. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye guys.